Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Monika from the Friday Night Funkin Mod Doki Doki Takeover. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. This drawing is a little bit more on the difficult side, so I'd recommend drawing in pencil first so you can adjust as you go. Alright, let's start off by drawing the shape of the face like this. Now let's draw the eyes. On the left, draw a curve. And then at the end, draw a small curve down. And then a U-curve on the right side and color it in black. Now let's draw the right eye. Draw a curve over to the right that's a little bit longer than the other eye. And add a small curve on the outside edge. Now add a U-curve in the middle of the eye and color it in black. Next, add the eyebrows above the eyes with curves like this. Now add the nose with a tiny line under the eyes here. Let's draw the mouth now. Draw a curve here. And then a curve in on either side like this. And now connect them at the bottom. Next, add a curve inside at the top for the teeth. And now a curve on the left for the tongue. And color in the small section in black. Let's start drawing her hair now. Draw an angled line above the left side of the face. Then two triangle shapes over to the right. And one more curve above the right eye. Next, above her head here, draw a rounded point. And now a curved bent line down on the left. And one more curve over on the right. Now from this line, step up slightly and draw a long S-curve down for the section of hair. Come back up to the top now and draw a curve. And then angle it down from the top. Next, draw another long S-curve parallel to the other one. And close off the bottom with a zigzag. Next, add some detailed lines inside with a curve at the top in the middle. And now a tiny line in this small gap. Next, add a curved piece of hair coming out the top of her head. Then draw a curve to the right of it. And add two diagonal lines inside. Now move to the left and add a pointed section of hair here with a small line inside. Let's draw the right side of the hair bow now. Draw an angled rounded square shape coming out from the top right. Now add a long L-shaped line at the top. A line down on the side, and then one more across in the middle. Next, underneath, draw two curves down like this. And then connect them with the curve at the bottom. And then add a line inside. Before finishing off the hair, let's start drawing the body. Draw a small V under her chin. And then a curve under it. Next, let's draw a small bow. Start with a small circle. And then curves on either side. Now draw 2 small U shapes underneath. And add 1 more curve inside each. Then at the bottom, add the strings with 2 rectangle shapes. Let's draw her jacket now. Draw a long curve on the left side right next to the bow. And then a curve up to the bow on the right. Next, on the left, let's draw the side of her chest and the body like this. Let's draw the collar now. In the top left, draw a small line down. And then a small V shape. And then a longer V shape, curving it down to meet the bottom point. And then add 1 more curve on the right side from the bottom point out. Then add a curve across the bottom here. Now from the bottom of the left side, draw a curve out. And then a line down the middle starting from the bottom of the point. And 1 more short line on the right from under her hair. Now close off both sides of the jacket with a curved V shape. And then add 3 buttons down the middle. Let's draw the strand of hair on the left now with a long curve from her face down. And then add 1 more curve inside on the right. Let's draw the other side of the bow now on the left. Starting from the left, draw a curve out. And then back into the hair. Now add a small detailed line inside at the top. Let's draw the arms now, starting with the left side holding the heart pen. On the left, in between the hair and the side of the body, draw a diagonal line for the bottom of the arm. Then another diagonal line up on the outside. Now from this line, draw an angled curve over to her hair. Hop back to the outside now and draw another angled line up and out. Now draw the index finger pointing up like this. Now add the other 2 fingers to close off the hand. Next, draw the heart pen coming out to the left. And lastly, a tiny bump on the top of the pen here for the thumb. Let's draw the right arm holding the microphone now. Draw an L-shaped bent line down on the right. Then an S-curve at the end. Next, draw the thumb like this. And then 2 fingers at the end of the thumb here. From under the thumb now, draw a small curve down. Then add the base of the microphone under on an angle. and then add a small curve inside at the bottom. Now following the same lines, draw the top of the microphone above the fingers. Then a circle at the end for the microphone head. And then add the detailed curved lines inside. Let's add the index finger coming out to the right now here. And then finish off the bottom of the arm with an angled line back into the hair. Now that we've drawn the top half of her body, we can finish off her hair now by adding the ponytail. From the top of her head, draw a bent line up. And then another taller one next to it. Then one more, but curve it over and down to the bow. Now continue this line from under the bow and curve it out to the right and back in under the finger. Next, add a small curve at the end. And now curve across to close it off. Next, add the other side of the hair with lines across behind the bow piece like this. Then add some detailed lines inside. Let's draw the skirt now. Draw curves under on either side of the jacket. Then curve lines in. On the right side now, close off this panel with a straight line. Next on the outside, draw one more smaller curved skirt panel on either side like this. Then close off the skirt with 3 more skirt panels starting from the left and working your way over. Let's draw the legs next. Under the left side of the skirt, draw 2 lines down and angled in. Then, bent lines underneath and back in for the calves. Now to the right, draw an angled line down. And then another angled line down towards the right for the bent knee. Now for the outside of the leg, draw a curve down to the knee. And then another bent line for the calf. Now add curves at the top of each leg for her socks. Let's draw the shoes now. Under the left leg, draw a curve across the bottom. Then bent lines on either side. Next, underneath towards the left, draw a curved semicircle. Then the sides of the shoe like this. Now add a curved black rectangle on the top of the shoe. And a small square on the heel. Let's draw the other shoe in a similar way now, but slightly more angled and curved like this. And that's it for Monika. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.